The Environmental Law Clinic is an opportunity for students to get involved with environmental issues throughout the state of Virginia. It gives us a more direct opportunity to work hands-on with other attorneys throughout the state.
Over the years, we have worked with the Virginia State chapter of the Sierra Club. We've worked with the Mattaponi Indian tribe. We've worked with other environmental groups like Appalachian Voices and Piedmont Environmental Council. We have engaged in federal litigation. We've done amicus briefs to the Supreme Court of the United States.
The clinic gives students the opportunity to work with the Southern Environmental Law Center, SCLC, which is an environmental advocacy organization headquartered right here in Charlottesville, but which has offices across the southeastern United States.
Within the Environmental Law Clinic, I've had the opportunity to take part in court proceedings, actually meet with clients, to speak and engage, and actually stand on my feet and involve myself in these legal matters. Whether or not I end up participating in environmental law procedures or policy or lawmaking or what have you, I know that the practical opportunity is going to benefit me in the long run.
Through the Environmental and Regulatory Law Clinic, I got the opportunity to participate in a State Corporation Commission hearing for a long-term power plan submitted by a utility here in Virginia.
We recently did an amicus brief in a major uranium mining case that is before the Supreme Court of the United States. It's a case that clinic students had actually been involved in for many years at various different levels, both when the case was back in the district court, in the Court of Appeals, and also in the regulatory process with the state government. We are fortunate to be here in Charlottesville in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains, an absolutely beautiful place for me to raise a family and for students to spend 3 years in law school. But it also really heightens for us how important the special places of this region are. I think the clinic plays an important role in helping students see that they don't have to wait for other leaders to play a role on climate policy or energy policy or whatever environmental issue they care about. There is an opportunity to engage in that kind of leadership today.